So hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can make money online. You can make like $500 per day according to how you're working. So I'm going to show you the easiest method of how you can make money by uploading pictures online. So I'm going to show you the website which helps you to get money by just uploading, and also I will be showing you where to get the pictures that we'll be uploading. Let's get started. But before we get to that, please like this video, subscribe and share. So keep watching if you're interested. You can go to this website called Shutterstock.com. So you can see Shutterstock.com. This is a platform where people go to find images to use in their projects. So for us we be uploading the images, and if someone uses that image we'll be getting paid. As you can see, this is the website that our images will be appearing on. To start in the program you have to search Shutterstock Contributor. Now you click on the first link, which is submit.shutterstock.com. So you can see that you can share your work and start earning here. Join Shutterstock global community of contributors and make money doing what you love. So all you have to do is to sign up. You can see you have to create a high-quality image and video, then you submit them, then you will be getting paid. Also you can refer to someone and earn more. So you can see more than 1 billion paid out. So it is globally, you can do it anywhere, and don't worry, because I will be showing you where you will get the pictures from. Now let's go to get started. We are going to sign up. So as you can see you have to enter your full name, display name, your email address and your password. Then you check this box. Then you click Next. Check the box, then you click on Next. So here they will say they will send you the confirmation so that you can confirm your email. So you have to go to your Gmail, so you can see they have sent you an email. Click on it, then please click here to verify your email and click on it, so now you will be redirected to your website. So they will tell you that thanks, your email has been verified, so you have to click Next. So now we are going to enter your additional information, have to select your country, your address, your number and all these. You have to click on Next, so they tell you welcome to the community, we can't wait to see your best work. Now we can start by uploading. So, I'm going to show you the website that you will be getting the images from, which is Pexels.com. So, this is a free stock for photos. You have to search for a free photos, then you select any picture that you want. For example, this one. Then you click on free download and it will be downloaded to your PC. Then you have to come back to this website. Then you go to upload, then select the picture that you want upload, then click on open and your picture will be uploaded. Then you have to click on next. So now we have to get your content approved, so you have to select your photo. You can add the description of your picture, you can add the category, the location or more options, the keywords, then you click on submit. Then your picture will be submitted, then they will approve it, then you start making money. So, you can upload as many pictures as you want. Then after that you will be checking on earnings to see the money that you're making. Also can go to my referrals. You can refer people and whoever sign up you will be getting money. So, as you can see, you can invite fellow artists or you can share your work with buyers. Here they will make you the links that you can share. So, if you want to refer to an artist, you can copy this link and send it to them, and whoever sign up will be getting 4 cents. But don't worry, because we also be making money from the pictures that you have uploaded. So that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching. Please like this video, share and subscribe for more useful tutorials.